By the end of this video, you know the 4 homes that you can get from AliExpress for $40,000 or less. Because the median home sales price has increased by over $100,000 in the last 5 years. And I know for many of you, the home prices where you live have increased way more than that. And it doesn't matter if you want to use these homes as a rental property, as a weekend getaway, or even a place for family members to live. The point is, there's a home on this list for you. So the first home is $38,760 and it's about 300 square feet. So let's check out a video of what the finished product could potentially look like.
Hello everyone, this is our space capsule house T40. It is 11.5 meters long, 3.3 meters wide and 3.2 meters high, and covers an area of 38 square meters. Here is the intelligent door lock. Go inside, you can see the logo wall and integrated control switch. Here is the bedroom, and it is about 14 square meters. And here is the skylight. It is about 4 meter squares. And here is the floor to ceiling windows. Here is the dry and wet separation bathroom, and a full-size sink, a smart beauty mirror, and a sanitary wire, and the bathroom are all top brands. Water heater is also factory installed. You can put a bed here, then you can make it a bedroom. And the curtains are also factory installed. The open balcony is about 5 meter squares. If you chat and drink tea with another person, it won't be crowded at all. The windows is double layers hollow windows, and the inside, the outside are all made of aluminum alloy. And the main structure is galvanized steel. The paint is fluorocarbon paint. No rust, no corrosion. It's easy to clean and maintain.
I really love the look of this one, especially the big windows. Personally, I would use this as a weekend getaway if I had some land, or maybe as a short-term rental. Let me know in the comments, what would you use this home for? Let's check out some pictures of what this could potentially look like. All right, so this is what it looks like with the bed in there. I really just love those windows. This is on like a riverside or something like that. I think I'll be too scared to be in something like this, but you let me know what you think. It does look cool though. This is another angle. Looks off-grid to me. And then this looks like a picture of it in the factory, and this is what a potential like kitchen and stuff could look like, and then just some other additional renderings in different settings. And then again with the bedroom from a different angle, what a potential bathroom could look like. So there's a shower, good sized sink, toilet, and etc. Another angle of a potential layout, one with 2 bedrooms in there. That's crazy. I didn't expect that. Another bathroom shot, another shot. So, you know, we're able to get a good sense of what this could potentially look like. Let's learn some more about the property. All right, looks like it's 2 people can stay here. It talks about the weight, the power consumption, the materials panels and things like that. It talks a bit more about the glass and then the balcony and really just a lot of the other things that most people will want to know. Some lighting information, stuff like that. The kind of toilet, shower head, basin, faucet, etc. And on whole house equipment, intelligent charge system, I'm assuming these are probably additions that you can get potentially. And then it talks about floor heating, pipe frost prevention, the insulation system, the staircase, etc. So just some additional details that you're probably going to be curious about. So a couple things to keep in mind is you will need to make an investment to get the plumbing and electricity connected. It's an additional expense. Obviously, the cost of that is going to vary depending on where you live and exactly what needs to be done. And you're also going to need prepared land to put this on, unless you already own land or maybe you have space in your yard or something where something like this could be put. So if you're looking for the biggest bang for your buck, or maybe you've thought about building some sort of family compound, the next home is for you. So this home is about $14,000 and it's about 300 square feet. So let's check out a video. All right, so we got the exterior. It's kind of going around to the side. You got a window on the side. Another shot of the window. I think we get the point. Now we're inside. Looks like a little living area, bathroom, bedroom. You know, got a table, a little couch. This looks like one of those portable ACs. Then a kitchen, another bedroom. I think this is 2 bedrooms, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2 bedrooms. Shot of the second bedroom, another shot of the kitchen. The bathroom, got all the hookups. Might be a water heater up there, maybe. Then just like the electric stuff. and then a shot of the exterior. So what's crazy is some months ago, I did a video on homes you can buy from Amazon. They were very similar to the one that we just saw right now, but they were like twice the cost. So it seems like it might be more affordable to get it directly from the source. Obviously, there could be additional expenses, but as I'm looking right now, it looks a lot more affordable than the one we talked about a few months ago. Let's learn some more about this one. All right, so the features: rapid installation, 8-hour assembly. You definitely need to make sure you budget to pay people to assemble these things. It talks about the snow load capacity, wind load capacity, soundproofing, anti-corrosion, 20 years, okay. Seismic resistance, fire resistance, and service life. So they think it could last at least 50 years. And also talks about some of the optional equipment you can add. So the water heater, the range hood, air conditioner, induction cooker, gas cooker, closet cabinet, so on and so forth. So it sounds like everything is pretty much customizable and you can really get as much or as little as you would like, which of course is going to impact the final price before they ship it to you. Is there anything that you think this home might be missing? Let me know in the comments. Something else to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that you understand the zoning laws for your local area. If you have land or if you have a home in a good enough yard space, don't think that you can just buy it and put it on there and there may not be an issue. You need to understand exactly what the rules are where you live before you take any action on something like this. So if you want a home that can stand out as a short-term rental or maybe even be a place for a family member to live, the next home is for you. But first, I need you to subscribe and like button. If you want to get better at real estate investing, you have to follow this channel. So the next home is $27,362. Let's check out this video they have here. So this pretty much is showing, I guess how it looks at the factory, and they are gonna take us inside. There's a little loft area, probably bedroom upstairs, put a little bed up there. And then the downstairs, you could do some stuff down there too. That was quick. So let's check out some of the pictures. So this is like a beachfront version of this. That would be crazy, huh? And then they have like potential layout options right here. So like a bedroom, and then looks like a little living area on the far right picture, and then on the left hand picture there's like a living room and bathroom. So just like different options for how people might want to set it up, and then a shot of what a bedroom could look like and bathroom, etc. I really like the look of this home. I think this could be a nice weekend getaway for me personally, but you let me know in the comments, what would you use this for? Would you put a family member here? Would you want to live here part-time yourself? Would you use it as an office? What would you use it for? Let me know in the comments. So let's learn a little bit more about this one. So in the specification section, we see the size of it, the structure, information about the wall, roof, ceiling, floor, windows, electric, etc., and the plumbing options as well. If you're looking for a home with a modern look and a little more space than the one we just looked at, the next one's for you. So this next home is $20,625, and there's actually a video of them assembling it. So let's check this one out. All right, so they are lifting this one up, and it looks like there might be others on this particular piece of land. There's a lot of trees, people taking pictures. I wonder where exactly this is at. So they're letting this one go down, and we see they're putting it on what looks like cement blocks, and they're putting two of these together. Actually, looks like it's about six, seven guys out there. So they're lifting up that angled roof that we saw in the rendering. So they're going to lift that up. I don't know why they chose to put it under so many trees, but yeah, they are lifting up the roof, almost done putting the whole thing together, putting up the wall, and then the other piece of it right there. And then we are able to see the finished product. Let's take a look at the potential layout options in the photos. There's a few layout options you probably could choose, but the one that they have right here, it has a bed, a living area, and a bathroom and kitchen. So this one looks more of like a studio as opposed to enclosed rooms. And then these other pictures, I actually like this color, just like what the exterior could look like, different color options, white and black, and then a random picture of the inside. So there wasn't actually much information on the page about this particular property, but I did want you to at least see what the assembly process looks like for one of these. So if you happen to live in an HOA community, before you take any action on this, you want to make sure that you're allowed to put something like this or any of these homes that we've seen today or something else you might find on your property. You want to make sure that it's within the rules for you to do something like that. You want to do that before you even go to the city and see what they'll allow. You got to make sure you understand the HOA rules. So I know at this point, many of you are probably wondering, how much is this whole thing going to cost from A to Z? Unfortunately, I can't tell you that without lying. There's so many factors and variables to consider, and many of those things we've discussed today. At the end of the day, everyone's individual situation is different. The customizations you might want are different. Where you live is different. So there's just so much at play here. My job here is to help you think outside of the box about real estate and expose you to as many options as I can, and hopefully you can find something that works for you. Don't take what I said in this video, what I shared in this video, and simply run with it. You need to do as much due diligence and research as possible so that you go into the situation fully informed and fully aware. I think these type of homes can change the future of housing because affordability is honestly the biggest issue we're having right now, and maybe it can even help with some of the homeless issue that we're having in some cities around the country. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. I do have some exciting news. You always see me wearing these shirts on my videos, and you may not have known, but they're actually for sale. You can purchase one of these shirts if you'd like. And I'm excited to share that to celebrate the end of the year and all the growth and all the success and how much you all have supported me. Every shirt on the website is going to be 50% off. So you can get one of these shirts if you'd like, or you can get one of these shirts. And there's no limit to the number of shirts that you can get. It's automatically applied at checkout. So instead of $30 per shirt, they're $15. And you'll also get a handwritten note from me. I put a handwritten note and card inside of every single order. So I would greatly appreciate it. If you support this channel, if you like the merch, definitely make sure to buy some. And it's 100% cotton. It's good quality. It's not something that's going to wear it down over time. And so if you're interested in that offer, go to the pinned comment of this video and click the link. The inventory is very limited, so definitely make sure to get yours now if you've ever thought about it. Like I said, everything is 50% off on the website. Now that you know about homes you can buy on AliExpress for $40,000 or less, I want you to learn about 10 shipping container homes that you can buy for $100,000 or less. Check out this video right here.